Hey guys, so if you've clicked on this video, I'm guessing you're thinking, how the friggin' hell can you put backpacking and luxurious together? So I'm going to show you some footage in a minute, but if you're new to our channel, my name's Amy. I am backpacking with my other half Scott, who's sunning himself somewhere on this very nice resort. We've just backpacked India and we've done the Philippines, so you might want to give them a little look if you're thinking of them. But anyway, let's talk in before we tell you about this place, because I'm going to tell you how you can get this kind of accommodation. I'm going to show you it first. Enjoy. So you've seen the footage now, you've seen how beautiful it is. Let me tell you how much we're paying and how we got it. So tip number one, new places. Don't be afraid to, when you go on booking.com or wherever you usually go with Hostelworld, yada yada yada, the ones without the reviews, the new places that no one's been, you don't know what it's going to be like. Don't be afraid to go and see them, because this place that you've just seen, they haven't got any reviews. They've got one saying it isn't that good. Okay then. So yeah, number one, don't be afraid of new places. Tip number two, let them know you are backpacking. When you pull up in your rickshaw or whatever the hell it is, let them know that you're backpacking, you're on a budget. Ask them if they've got a little room out the back, a decent room out the back. Just let them know what budget you're on, and sometimes they will work with that. Number three, be cheeky. Ask them for an upgrade. When you get there, be like, oh, have you got any rooms on the front? You know, let them know you'll take a few pictures, pop them on your social media accounts, that kind of thing. And I will clarify now that just because we're on YouTube, it doesn't mean we're millionaires. You've seen the views. We're not that popular. I don't know why. Yeah, just ask them. Just be cheeky, guys. If you got anything a bit, it's nice, it's beautiful, but I kind of want to send some pictures back home and show off to my mates. Is there any chance you can put me on the front one? It works. Me and Scott are paying £17 a night for our room. That includes free tea and coffee in the room. You've got your bar, your mini bar. You do have to pay for. The bed is friggin' amazing. This is with aircon. Absolutely. It's hot water. There's Wi-Fi. So yeah, we've got all this for £17 a night. If there's two of you travelling, it's what, £8.50? My maths is really crap. A night, so it can be done. So yeah, if you're British and watching this, your British etiquette, let it go out the window. Be cheeky. Tip number four, only book 1 and 2 nights. Meaning, so you want to stay there for a good 4 or 5 days and chill out because you've been backpacking and you're absolutely knackered. If that hasn't happened to you already, it will. Okay, so book 1 and 2 nights regardless of who you book with. And then, because you want to stay longer, ask them when you're here if you can have the room for a few extra nights, and generally they'll take price stuff. Now Vietnam isn't as easy as the countries where we've been. We've done India and we've done Philippines, and there you can literally turn up and haggle. You've seen the Go Kana vlog. Sometimes it doesn't work out that good because there's no room left at the inn and you are shitting yourself thinking, where am I going to sleep? But if you want to do it that way, just turn up and then ask you can. But yeah, 1 and 2 nights, then ask them for few extra nights, and they generally do knock it down. And tip number 5, don't always stay in the most popular places. Now you guys know that we are on Phu Quoc. The popular places here is Long Beach, Sai Beach and Dung Dong. I think that's how you pronounce it. That's where all the backpackers head to. Get out of there. It's that simple. We are right on the north coast. Now I know that it's an absolute ball ache for some of you to get to and from these places, and you want to go to the night market and things. And in general here you do have to hire out a motorbike because all the beaches, they're all far apart, they're not next to each other. We are paying about £4 a day for a moped. It's a 125, again, I don't know what that means. Petrol's cheap, you're talking about 70p a litre. That way you can get out and about. But the joys of being out of the way of everything like that is the beaches are generally cleaner. The beaches on Phu Quoc, I hate to say it, they're not that nice. The rubbish is shocking, what we've seen. And I'm going to put another vlog out about Phu Quoc and what else we've done. But this one's predominantly to show you how to live like this. We've got the whole complex. With complexes, you usually get snorkels and you get kayaks. Kayaks usually cost about £4 to take out for like half an hour to an hour. We can take it out as long as we want here. We've got the snorkels, we've got the pool to ourselves, the bar. Now, even though you're probably thinking, nah, the food's probably shit. Look, the food's fine. You can see the breakfast. It's a general, everywhere in Vietnam, it's the banh mi, your omelette. You do get a choice here if you want noodles and that type of thing. And the food in the day isn't that expensive. This kind of meal will cost you about $3.50 each. Beers are about £1. Tin coffee's free with the room, but you know that. So yeah, stay out of the way. So we hope you found this little vlog useful. If you want any questions, want to know anything, guys, just drop a little message below. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when we're actually able to move again. We're actually in lockdown in Malaysia and Langkawi at the moment, so our channel's going to be a bit slow because we've got nothing to video. So yeah, guys, stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you soon.